Bada bing, bada boom, pop! Hey guys, Saboto for 60 back with another video right now. This is stuff you didn't know about me. Let's get right into the video. Fact number one. I can fit my whole fist in my mouth. Y'all wanna see? Okay. See? Fit my whole fist in my hands. It's rather gross, but something I can do. Number dose. You may not know this, but I'm the shortest kid in my whole grade. Out of 2 classes, 31 people in total, I am the shortest. Bam, 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 bam. Number 3, I can get really addicted to games. I used to be an addict to PewDiePie's Tour Simulator. I would actually use the glitch just to get all the good stuff, and I was such an addict back then to that game. But now, I delete that game. Now I play Volga Go Viral, and I'm not really addicted to that game, but I really love it. Super, so much. Okay. What else? Number something. I forgot which number. There is a chance that I will never break a bone in my body. You're probably asking why. Like some of you are like, but you see, that's like impossible. No, it's impossible. Oh no, not really. Cause if you drink milk, has calcium in it, and I guess that helps your bone. And ever since I was like 6 years old, I have been drinking milk every day for the past 6 years. For the past 6 years, I've been drinking milk every day. And you know, milk makes your bones way stronger. So I've been drinking milk every day for the past 6 years. If I count how many times I didn't drink it out of 6, it'd be like 15, because I drink it practically every day, including when I eat cereal, when I go over to a friend's house. Yeah. Yeah. That is facts about me. Now I want to do something with you guys. I want to show you how to make your own YouTube play button. Okay? Can you see me? Is my lighting bad? Darn it. I'll get my stuff. Get all I need. Okay? And then we can go back where I was before, because the lighting there was really nice. Actually, wow. Not bad. Ma, can you get me a straw, please? Can you get me a straw, please? Yes, please. Any color's okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we need one last thing. Something to write with. Let's go. Okay, guys. We'll be making a homemade YouTube play button. Let's go. Okay, so first you want me to start off. Easy peasy. So first you're going to take this little end. Do this here. Okay, bend it like that, then turn like this. So then it should be like, oh no, I zoomed in. Zoom out. Okay, so then you have to do like that, like this, and then you're gonna take your other end, and you're gonna put it in that other end. Because, yeah. And then try to make it in the shape of those little YouTube logos. Things like that. Like the little YouTube play button thing. Try to make it in that shape. Okay? Because else it's not really a play button. How did I do it last time? Last time I did like actually really good. Can you do it again? You know what? If I can't do this, I will be so mad. Actually, I want to show you guys how to make your own play button. Can't even do it myself. I did it last time, actually. Last time I did super awesome. Oh, well, I guess this will have to do. Guess this will have to do to be our play button. It's not that great. I did actually a way better one. Like 100% way better. Maybe I can try one more time. Just a little one more time. No, because never give up. Just giving up is bad and stuff. Just don't give up. You know what? Well, this will have to do. Sadly, even though it's so bad. Okay? Then rip out a couple pages. Ones that we're not using, obviously. Gonna need more than one. If you need one, it's hard. You need more than one paper. This is where we use the tape. Just find yourself a piece of tape and cut it. Yes. Doing this at home, guys. Because where else would I be for this vid? Somebody's house? Nope. D for Awesome's house? Nope. I mean, 0 to 100 Channel's house? Still nope. Darn it. What on earth have I done right now? Okay, once you've taped all these papers together, this is where you take the play button, stick it anywhere. Probably gonna use some tape for this. On the side, cut like estimated 2 little pieces. Take it, put on your play button. I swear I made a 10 times better one than this last time. But I'm just gonna show you guys how. So you put this, then just put it in the middle, the normal play button, put it there. Then as you can see, it looks like this so far. Then you're gonna write your name. So me, as you all know, I am Dude360. So I'm gonna write Dude360. Okay, we're done that. Now this is where you need Sharpie. You'll write your name. Dude360. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Dude360 play button. So, hope you guys enjoy the vid of facts about me, homemade play button. So, peace.